Are you curious about how to raid a Discord server like a pro? In this video, I will reveal the step-by-step process to completely disrupt a server using advanced tools. Stick around, this is a guide you don't want to miss. To get started, log into your Discord account. For this process, you will need to use the web browser version of Discord. Once you are logged in, open a new tab and search for Xenon bot. Click on the first result you will see, then select Add to Discord. Next, choose the server you want to raid. Click Continue and then hit Authorize. Make sure to verify yourself by ticking the I am a human box. You will see a confirmation message saying thanks for inviting Xenon bot. After the bot is added, return to your Discord server. You will notice the Xenon bot in the member list. To initiate the raid, copy the provided command template and paste it into the bot's input field. Click Continue to execute the command. Make sure to confirm your action before proceeding. Within moments, the server will be completely disrupted. And that's how you raid a Discord server in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.